clock ticks by too fast this time, not a moment to be lost. A sack of books around.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be. It's no coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing